Yo, what's good? So I'm looking for good old setups, man. This one, the pattern is consistent. This is what I be talking about, y'all, when I'm talking about like patterns in the market. So boom, you see the pattern right here, y'all. Boom, pull back, pull back, pull back, back up. Candles are above this 200 overall uptrend. So this is definitely giving me buy vibes again. Now, it could potentially pull back to form a zigzag, but for the most part, we know we're looking for buys on this in particular. So this is one I would definitely take. This one right here, okay, it's still pushing. So this is giving me calls for the group. So I'm trying to determine if I want to call this in a group right here. I think he's going to go up for like 1 minute. We might go ahead and take you. No, how he rejecting. I might take 2 minutes. I'm going to hit you with a 2-minute trade on this, saying that he gonna at least try to come up here to the zone. If not, then he may be wanting to come on back to retest and then go. But if you notice here, middle of this Keltner, a lot of these stop. So the moment we start coming under this Keltner, then that's how we know. But so far, we've been just sticking to the same old. So these candles is gonna determine, because all of these candles right here have been doing the same things. Hitting the middle of that Keltner, rejecting, going back up. We get a breakout on there, then we know we're gonna try to come on back down here to these areas. But this is definitely for entry rule material because of the pattern. You see the pattern is clear as day. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you can know you can mark up your stuff for entry rule style. Like, okay, we breaking through now. Okay, yep. So now my next entry is coming. If he come down and smack my M15 zone, which is this, I'm a second entry or get close to it. It's getting close already. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get in. I ain't gonna waste no time, just in case. So second entry, final entry should be somewhere in here if it, continues down. And all I'm doing, $25 here, $50 here. Yeah, so we do it like that. Now, if I have to do a fourth, and I do believe it's still gonna go up, I might go up on my time just to give it time to turn around. But right now, oh, there go the zigzag. All right, so now I'm about to enter a third entry right here. I'm gonna do 5 right there on a 3-minute trade. All right, and then I'm going to do, if I have to go to 5 minutes, I might do 4 minutes. If we smack here and I gotta go to fourth entry, that'll be it. But I'm willing to lose $400. As you can see on this account for the week, I'm already up $17.25. So I could, I got a good week. But this is perfect setup stuff. I'm trying to zoom in. There we go. Perfect setup stuff. Hopefully we can get a bigger push than this, because this is too close to these entries right here. We could retrace easy. I still got 30 seconds on those, so hopefully we can get a decent push up. I'm gonna have trouble with this zone here. You can see all the rejections. So if we can even push past this middle, because right now it's looking like he ain't trying to. But let's see. So far so good. 9 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's beautiful. This is what we like to see, y'all. Still got a minute left. Still got a whole minute, 30-something seconds left, so anything can happen in that time. So, but according to this pattern, here up. You know what I'm saying? But we didn't fully commit to this H1 zone. So, but right now we're looking good. If we can manage to get past this zone here with all these touches and rejections, then we're gonna be all right. So far, as long as we stay up there, good. But you see my entry right at the M15 zone, this pink one. Heavy rejection, entered right under the zone. So it would literally have to come through and break back through it. Not saying that it can't, but so far we're looking good. So let this thing roll on out. As I go over here right quick and check on, was it this one or this one? Yeah, this one. I think it was this one I was looking at. I almost forgot. But yeah. Yeah, it is this one. Because if I go to the left, I should be able to see an H1 zone somewhere. Yep, there we go. So this one ain't quite got down there yet. So we still good. Oh, he trying to come on back. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. He trying to come on back. Let's see what this next candle do. Hopefully he ain't no heavy pusher. Okay. I like the retrace. I like the retracement. Oh yeah, we Gucci. We're good. Give me my money. Run me that, all of it. I'll take it. Yes, sir. I'll take another 100 smacks. And guess what we do? We move that. We don't leave it in there because we got to withdraw this week. We don't play these games. So I'm going to do 123.75. All right, confirm. Which puts me now at 1,800 for the week. That's a good week, boy. Is your job paying $1,800 a week? And if they is, what kind of labor you got to do? You know? We can come on over here to these charts and click buttons. You feel me? Click a few buttons, no stress on my part. It's only 8 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? What are we talking about? What are we talking about, bro? I was trying to give y'all a signal. I was going to call for the group, but they playing. I could have called that one low key, but, you know, I feel like this one would have been juicier. But yeah, y'all, that's all I'm doing. If you look at this right here, the market's sloppy. I mean, we got all kind of stuff going on with this. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, what is you doing? But that's why it's good to have your zones. All these is H1 zones. So I know I'm getting heavy rejection. Some of these I just kind of stay away from, though, when it's like not a consistent pattern or trend. It's kind of just all over the place. So usually stay away from those. This one's looking pretty good. I like the breakouts like that. When it start coming outside this Keltner channel, you see how it's like starting to break outside the Keltner? Oh, yeah. When it start doing that, I know a drop is coming soon enough. But here's a little zone over here because we rejected. Another one up here, another one here. So this is the area that we're coming into right now. Rejection. Now, it could be trying to very well push up here to this H1 zone. I did get a pullback already, so it did shoot out pretty good. But as you know, every time we get a pullback, go up, we get another pullback, potentially go up. But we're going to see. Now that's when I got to go to the M15 just to see what we looking like. Oh, yeah, that's a heavy bullish candle right there. That's a heavy one. So I'm almost positive that next one going to be a buy. Look at that. That's beautiful. I don't even have time to call these, bro. The movements is just too fast. These the kinds you got to do like a minute on. I'm just going to hop in that for a minute on the buy. See if it give it to us. This might just be another small pullback, so I probably could do like 2 or 3 minutes. But I do believe we're going to continue up with that heavy momentum on the M15. 1 minute might have just been too quick. And all you looking for too, as long as this pullback right here don't pass this one, you Gucci. Market structure say we're gonna go back this way. You feel me? And that's how we looking at it. That's how we rocking. You feel me? Straight like that. I'm trying to zoom in, bro. I'm trying to see a little something. Come on, 1 minute. You playing around. You gave me a slither of hope, and that was it. Bro, if you don't push up and stop playing with me. Bro, I only got 6 seconds. Yeah. Give me my money. Yeah, I was about to go in again. Stop playing with me. It don't matter what to do out there, close out. Shoot, as long as I got my money. I don't care what you done do. I don't care what you about to do. Give me my paper so I can move my money over. Yes, sir. Shoot. Oh, I think he's still gonna go up though. He wanna play. You wanna do it again? You wanna do it again? Trying to see if he's gonna reject again off this M15 zone right here. Reject again. Smack you over the back of your peanut. Let's go. Oh, come on. You gonna retest a little bit more. I'm in there. Should have got in down here though, honestly. Should have got in at the bottom, bro. Should have did it. Oh, okay. He gonna come on down. As long as you don't pass this one, we good for the buy. As long as you don't pass him, yeah. Don't reject hard and go up. Don't reject hard and go on up there. Let's go. You want to play? I always try to play at the last little bit of time. If you don't make your move and come on, so I can see what you need to do. This is not the time to stall, sir. Okay. Push. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Give my money, man. Stop playing with me. Jackpot. You feel me? What they talking about? Give me my paper, bro. 21.75 again. Stop playing with me. Yeah, we almost there. 1900. We almost there. Oh, he going up for another minute. What you think? I'm doing it. I gotta do it. I feel like he gonna go up and connect. Could be terribly wrong though, and it could get ugly from here. It could get ugly from here. But let's see. And the reason why I'm doing that is because we still never crossed below these. So studies show you ain't crossed below these. We going to the moon, out the screen, bro. Are we going out the screen or no? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get a 40-foot candle. Come on, don't start retracing now. Yeah, get on up there. Go to the moon. That's what we need. It's going to be my last trade right here, though. Oh, yeah, go to that zone. Absolutely. That's what we need. 5, 4. Give me my 21.75. Give me my 21.75. Give it to your boy. Holla at me again. I told you I was about to smack him over the back of their peanut. What you thought? Hold on, bro. Oh, I still got my drawing tool. I'm like, why you ain't let me get my money? This is how you take little by little. This is what I be trying to tell y'all. Stop playing with me, bro. Is that a 1900 piece? Stop playing with me. And I could keep going, but I'm done. I gotta know. You gotta know when to hold them, and you gotta know when to fold them. And I'm folding right here in profit. What a great day today. You feel me? Because even on the Zoom call early this morning, we smacked them. Even on the Forex side, smacked them. And then came back over here again for a video and smacked them again. I mean, you can't get no better than that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna end up calling signals for the group here in a minute too. Yeah. You feel me? So if you ain't trading live with me, man, you ain't getting it popping with your boy, man, come on here. Get it popping. You dig? I'm gonna holler at y'all in another video. Let's go.